Module 1, Lesson 3, Senses of the Self. In ethics, senses of the self refers to the different ways we understand who we are, which in turn shapes how we make moral decisions and relate to others. Here's the visual diagram showing the five senses of the self. So, ang pinakauna dira, we have the personal self. So, ethical emphasis, ani, is your self-interest, your personal responsibility, integrity, and authenticity. So, example, ani, is during exam, naka-decide ka nga dili ka mag-cheat during exam because it would compromise your own standards. Second would be the relational self. It focus on loyalty, care, empathy, uh, through the relationship or through your relationship with others like your family, your friends, and community. So example, ani is nagka-care ka sa imong parents because you owe them your life. And then the social or collective self. Ethical emphasis ani is social justice, fulfilling duties to the group or society. So example would be nag-follow ka og environmental policies because you are a citizen and you are responsible for the planet's well-being. Next would be the moral self. So acting according to the principles or virtues such as honesty, fairness, or compassion. So example would be telling the truth even when it's uncomfortable because it is the right thing to do, or honesty. The next would be the spiritual or transcendent self. Your alignment with divine will, your religion, universal compassion, or transcendent ideas. Example, Annie, would be forgiving someone who hurt you because your faith calls to love unconditionally bisan pa og nagdumot ka. So your decision is i-forgive to na tao. Subjectivism, individual thinking person. The subject is at the heart of all moral valuations, meaning ikaw mismo. Individual is the sole determinant of what is morally good or bad, right or wrong. Meaning walay makasulti kung unsay tama or unsay mali, except sa imong sarili. No one knows your situation better than yourself. You are entitled to your own opinion. If iingon if it is good if I say that is good, meaning ikaw always ang tama. Psychological egoism. Psychological egoism is descriptive, meaning people always act in self interest, but it doesn't say na people should be selfish. Kaya kung mayroon kag selfish, it is ethical egoism. Sa psychological egoism, human beings are naturally self-centered. So all our actions are always already motivated by self-interest. Example ani would be nag-donate ka sa charity because it makes you feel good or it boosts your reputation. Or another example, gitabangan nimo imong friend because you would feel guilty if dili nimo siya tabangan. Another example is i-risk nimo imong life for someone because you value their life and your relationship with them, still fulfilling your own deepest desires. So sa psychological egoism, people always act in ways that serve their own desires or benefit themselves, even when they appear to be acting altruistically. Altruistically meaning nagakare ka sa uban tao. Next, we have ethical egoism. Sa ethical egoism, it is normative. People should act in self-interest. So, mo ni ang kabaliktaran sa psychological egoism. So, we should make our own ends, our own interest as the single overriding concern. So, mo ni siya ang being selfish. It acts in a way that is beneficial to others, but we should do that only if it ultimately benefits us. Example scenario would be na si Jake daw is offered two jobs. One pays more but has little personal growth. Ang other is fulfilling pero gamay og sweldo. So si Jake asa man ka mas maka-benefit sa duha, sa kadtong dako og sweldo o sa gamay og sweldo. Siyempre kung ikaw si Jake ang imo dyang i-take is the higher paying job because it will best serve your long-term financial security and personal goals even if others think it is selfish. Kung asa ka again sa ethical egoism, kung asa ka mas maka-benefit labi na imong self, then didto ka wala kay labot sa uban kundi ang imuha lang yung sarili ang imuhang gihuna-huna disregard all the consequences. Ang third would be altruism. So, si altruism is normative. People should act for others' benefit. 'Di ba sa psychological egoism is people always act in ways that serve their own desires or naka-benefit ang imuhang sarili. Then kung mayroon ka og ethical egoism, ang imuha lang huna-hunaon mismo is imuhang sarili or being selfish. Pero sa altruism, mas gihuna-huna nimo ang lain tao, wala na uban pa. So example scenario, during a flood, Sarah risked her life to save strangers trapped in a house, even though she doesn't know them and gains nothing from it. So wala siya na-gain, kundi gusto lang yun siya mo tabang